Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Please consider that we are still in a sideways range. Yes, the price pushed higher. Some people got very excited yesterday, but we haven't got a sustained breakout yet. We're nearly there. That would be a sustained break above 104K. In this case, we would already move up in the C wave here in the white scenario. That would be wave C of 3. In the directly bullish scenario. As I mentioned to you, I'm leaning slightly towards that one, but I would still prefer another test of support before the breakout, but that might or might not happen. I mean, the market has to decide that. I think today will be very decisive, especially around the weekly candle close. At the moment, we're just grinding higher a little bit slowly, but that is not in any way a stable move. It looks very fragile to me. Quick reminder that we're moving in a price range with a, let's say, upper boundary line, or well, the upper boundary of the trend channel is around 104K. It's not really a channel, it's just a sideways range. And the movement to the upside from the 5th of December low was only in 3 waves. The pullback was also in 3 waves. The rally currently is also in 3 waves. Here, as you can see, A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's only corrective, everything there. It is possible that we're already moving up in wave C of circle wave 3, but that would require further evidence. It's not impossible. I mean, we reached that support region in orange already. We reached it here on, when was that? Friday, yeah, when the price touched that 99,350 level. Whenever the price reaches these levels, of course, a reversal is possible, actually expected. We expect typically some kind of a reaction to these areas. But still, looking at the proportions, and for clarity, it would be ideal if we could get another test, at least if we're in the white scenario. So the white scenario allows whether we test that orange zone again or not, the market will decide, but the white scenario is valid. It allows for a breakout to the upside, possibly towards 110K next. I mean, we can check the Fibonacci extensions. If we measure the initial 1-2 setup, and then the length of the third wave, the target is normally the first ideal target, right, for a third wave, the 138% extension. Here we talk about 110K, but I'm not convinced yet that we are in a breakout. It would need to prove that to me, because all of these movements are very fragile, and it can literally change from 1 second to another. So please be aware of that, especially on weekends where volume is a little bit lower. So you can sometimes get some more less meaningful movements. But if it's the third wave, it could take us to 110K next. First ideal target, okay? And then the bearish count would be, or short-term bearish, would be the yellow scenario, which again is not my preference. But in this scenario, we're moving up in a B wave. Again, it's all corrective. So at best, it means be on the side of caution here. And then this could send us down in a C wave. But for a more bearish interpretation, we first need to see the market break below 95,968. So as you can see, all parameters from previous updates are still relevant, unchanged. What I've added yesterday to the chart is the idea of this Elliott Wave triangle, where we started, so this is like a WXY structure or something here, ABC, where the wave 4 bottomed on the 5th of December, and this is a triangle. Actually, in the triangle, the wave 4 is here. And then we would be dealing with B wave up. The B wave would still be unfolding, and B waves can even overshoot in triangles. That would be a so-called running triangle. Then a C wave down, D wave up, E wave down. So to invalidate the triangle, well, the price in a wave C must break below that A wave low, which formed at around $91,200. So this would be a triangle. Even if we see an overshooting B wave here, it could turn into a triangle. It would turn into a massive triangle. So maybe it's already the larger degree fourth wave here that we discussed yesterday on the daily time frame. So overall, I think it's important to watch the parameters which are still defined. I mentioned these are the important parameters for the weekend. They haven't changed. Bitcoin's moved to the upside. Not really promising yet. So again, we had a few fake breakouts. We're in a range where in my interpretation, there is no clear winner yet. So very open to further upside. Obviously, it is in line with my larger degree assumption. And please note that this sideways action could be just a large wave 4. So we have to be flexible here. Wave 4s can be frustrating. They can test our patience. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the membership, you can find a description here in a video on our channel page. Today we have our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC with an educational trading topic. Then you can get access to these member-only updates. Yesterday we published, or just 12 hours ago, Dog with Hat. There are very regular member-only updates that are not publicly available here on YouTube. If you're a gold member, you get access in addition to our Discord server, where there's a lot of additional content, educational content, Tradingview live chart, access to all of our live charts, so you see live when we make any changes to any of those charts. A lot of members appreciate these and prefer these over all other, let's say, bits of content. So yeah, hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.